Depot on the beat.
That is crazy, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god.
Certified. Certified. I want the gang, bitch.
Oh. Alright, what up, you guys? So, this is my Tahoe, as y'all know. Mom just got home. But, yeah, I ordered a few things for it. Like, I ordered some new center caps for the wheels, Texas Editions. It's got True Duals on it. But we're gonna end up putting these rear shocks in the back because one of them's blown. These are my old shocks from my truck. And then I got a new grill coming in. I got new headlight. Thank God. I got new taillights.
New mom.
There's Mama.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Yep. But yeah, we gotta replace the grill. Got new taillights coming in. Might be doing door speakers too. We don't really know yet. We got new mirrors coming in. I don't know yet. Alright, so we're finna take this thing to get a wash. I don't know if y'all can see that. Thought it was a package for the Tahoe, but it was actually my new emblems for my truck. Just blacked out badges. You're gonna go right there. So I'm gonna try to put those on. Alright, so I didn't video because they took like 2 seconds, but that's them. They look pretty damn good. Kind of changes the whole look of the truck, low key. But yeah, I'm finna pull my truck out and just give it a little wipe down because I think there's a meet tonight that we're gonna pull up to. Probably hang out for a little bit and then might go eat after that or something. But alright, so I didn't finish yesterday's video, but today we're replacing Russ's CV axles because as you guys saw, they were absolutely destroyed. Just about a $300 jack.
Shit's mint. Daytona special.
We had to buy these too. There's hubs and everything.
Holy shit, this shit's nice.
And then I went and got a new tank like last week and a new hose, air gun, everything. Bought one of these too. Air wrench. There's the new jack.
Good God. Thing is heavy as heel. Yeah, I got it.
Gonna have to run up to O'Reilly's in Piedmont and get his new CVs. Gotta meet the kid to pick them up.
Looks fun.
Oh God.
That bitch. Got it.
Look at this one too. Look at that shit. That said, that bitch said goodbye.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, I love you. Goodbye.
Oh, fucking you liberal.
Look yeah.
How easy was it? How long did it take?
I wanted to wait on y'all so I could video, but.
You got the other one, dude.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, the other one's easy, dude. That shit took so. Dude, that shit was so slow. I mean, that shit.
I think you might need to get an aftermarket upper control arm, Russ.
They don't make them.
They don't make them?
Really?
I don't.
Well.
I mean, yeah, they do, but they're not like the neighbors, I think.
Do you see that thing?
Yeah, have you seen the ball joint?
Look that. Looks
Have
like
you
it
seen the
came
ball
off a
joints?
fucking carriage.
Have you seen the ball joints?
Oh yeah, I don't even want to look. I've seen them a while ago, but
Cameras.
No, that bitch was this one right here, that big boy.
come out easy.
Hell no.
Oh, bet.
But I have to turn that bitch all the way up.
Good thing it's a
Look how
brand
big
new
this
impact.
freaking nut is.
Jesus.
From that damn old one.
You
Gone.
can show this to the camera.
Russ, that's a souvenir.
Jesus.
Yo, Jag, you can show this to the camera. Yui.
It's supposed to work like that, buddy. My God.
That shit was fucked.
Alright, we got that one done. Maverick's taking this wheel off. How's that going?
Cleaning my nuts, sir.
Look at that.
Cleaning my nuts, sir.
Who?
Undershoot.
Why is under here?
Alright, we just finished the second one in the span of about 45 minutes.
Oh god.
Shit was easy as hell. Here's the old one. This one wasn't bad. This one was perfectly fine, but we just figured we'd replace it anyways.
Matt, you trying to? It's on my toes, so.
This kid's a noob. This kid's a
Can't put
noob.
on the wheel.
Noob.
What? Lefty, you back.
Miss Biggie, man, it's heavy.
He's over here.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
She blown.
I don't. My ass.
Yeah, she blown.
Hey, are my pants even more room?
Yeah.
Nice.
Where's this retard's car?
Didn't drive.
I didn't drive.
Oh.
I literally just ruined these golf pants.
Nice pinch, man.
Oh my gosh. Don't touch me.
He was hopping on my tires.
Can't even put the wheel on.
Imagine if you had that much stance. This motherfucker's gonna lip in. Look out.
I knew he did.
Bitch ass.
Is that
Winner. Where's the rag?
Now it's good old meat.
Didn't I do the stuff that?
Oh, yeah, I do. If I can pick up mine, I can pick up these.
Hey.
I didn't know you're behind me.
Yo, mama, boy.
Alright, that's it for today's video. Hawaiian top, motherfuckers.